Hello students. Uh, in this video we are going to discuss about the trigonometry of complementary angles. So in this case first of all we will define what is the trigonometry of complementary angles. So we'll discuss trigonometry of complementary angles. So now we are going to derive the formula. You have to watch it the whole video to understand this. So we are taking a right angle triangle. Say for it is a right angle. Let this is A, this is B, and this is C. Let this angle is theta, and then this angle will be equal to 90 minus theta. As you know that it is a base, this is a perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So what we are taking is, we are writing down sine theta. So you can see that P upon hypotenuse. Similarly, we will take cos theta, which is base upon hypotenuse. Now we are taking tan theta, which is perpendicular upon base. Similarly, we are taking cot theta, so we can see that it is a base upon perpendicular. Now it is a sec theta, which is hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta, which is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now in the same triangle ABC, we are taking sine 90 minus theta, that will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. So you can see that base upon hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. It means sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, if you go for cos 90 minus theta, so you can see that it is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So you see here, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is nothing but sine theta. So this is going to be sine theta. Similarly, we are going for tan 90 minus theta. So if you are talking about tan 90 minus theta, this is equal to base upon perpendicular. A base upon perpendicular, you can see that it is equal to cot theta. So that is why tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Now say for cot 90 minus theta, this is equal to how? You can see here. So cos 90 minus theta will be a P upon B. So P upon B is nothing but tan theta. So you can see how the formula is coming. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta. So sec 90 minus theta is hypotenuse upon P, which is equal to, you can see that it is equal to cosec theta. And when we are taking cosec 90 minus theta, then this is coming out to be hypotenuse upon base, which is equal to sec theta. So you can see how these formulas are defined for complementary angle, and you have to understand it properly so that you can solve these type of questions. Now we are moving to next page, and we'll apply these two formulas to find out the solution of it. Say for question number 1, find value of cos 37 degree upon sine 53 degree. So now we'll discuss its solution. Solution is, here it is cos 37 upon sine 53. So you have to change either cos 37 or sine 50, not both at a time. So we are going to change numerator. So this can be written as cos 90 minus 53 divided by, numerator will remain same, we are not changing numerator. So as per the formula, you know, we have just discussed the formula, cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sin theta. So we can write it as sin 53 degree upon sin 53 degree. So these two gets cancelled, answer is 1. So once you know the formula, it is easy for you to solve this kind of questions. Now moving to next question, to find value of cos 70 degree upon sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square 30 degree. Then how to solve it? So we are going to solve this question, please watch properly. Here we are changing this cos 90 minus 20 upon sin 20 plus, here we are writing cos 90 minus 31 upon sin 31 minus 8, you know sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. So this is going to be equal to sin 20 upon sin 20 plus sin 31 upon sin 31 minus 8 into 1 by 4. So this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So it is 1 plus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So you can see by using the complementary angle formula, we have very easily solved this question. Now we are moving to next question. Find value of cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree. Likewise it is going to cos 89 degree, cos 90 degree, it is going up to cos 189 degree. So the solution of it we are going to discuss. You can see that here cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, cos 89 and cos 90. You know the value of cos 90. So cos 90, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, likewise cos 89 degree into 0 into likewise cos 189 degree. So it is multiplied by 0, so whole will be equal to 0. So you can see how we are solving this question using the complementary angle formula. Now we are moving to next question. Find value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, likewise tan 44 degree, tan 45 degree, likewise tan 89 degree. So now you can see this tan 89 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 1, which is equal to cot 1 degree. Cot 1 degree can be written as 1 upon tan 1 degree. Similarly, tan 88 degree can be converted to tan 90 minus 2, which is equal to cot 2 degree, which is equal to 1 upon tan 2 degree. Likewise, tan 46 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 44 degree, that is equal to cot 44 degree, which can be written as 1 upon tan 44 degree. So the solution is, say for tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree. Likewise, tan 44 degree into tan 45 degree. Now this is 1 upon tan 44 degree, 1 upon tan 43 degree, likewise 1 upon tan 2 degree into 1 upon tan 1 degree. So you can see that we can get it cancelled, tan 1, this tan 1, tan 2, tan 2, likewise all these will get cancelled. Only one thing will remain, that is tan 45 degree, and which is equal to 1. So answer is 1. This is the answer. So you can see how we are utilizing the complementary angle formula. Now we are moving to next question. In triangle ABC, prove that tan B plus C upon 2 is equal to cot A by 2. Now we'll solve this question. Now you see how amazingly we are going to use this formula. In triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So B plus C will be equal to 180 degree minus A. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. So we are putting the value in left hand side, that is tan B plus C by 2. So we are putting the value of this is tan 90 minus A by 2. So using half angle formula, this will be equal to cot A by 2. So you can see this is a fantastic method to use this complementary angle formula to find the solution. Now we are moving to next question. Please watch the full video to understand it clearly. If sin theta plus 36 degree is equal to cos theta, find theta. So now see the solution. Here it is a sin theta plus 36 degree. So this can also be written as sin 90 minus theta. Now this angle and this angle will be equal. Theta plus 36 degree equals to 90 minus theta. So it is 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 36 degree. So 2 theta is equal to 54 degree. So theta is equal to 27 degree. So this is the solution. So you can see how we are using complementary angle formula to solve such kind of questions. Moving to next question. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, find A. Find angle A. Now you see this sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree. This we can write as cosec 90 minus 4A, and this is equal to cosec A minus 20. So this angle and this angle will be same. So 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20. So it is 90 plus 20 is equal to 4A plus A. So this is going to be 5A and this is 110. So A is equal to 22 degree. So this is the answer. So we can solve these type of questions using the complementary angle formula. In case you have any question, you can give me the comment, you can give me the question in my YouTube channel, so that I can solve those questions and I can send it to directly to you. My phone number is also there. You can WhatsApp me and I will give you the solution of that question. So please watch the full video and please ask your friends to watch this video and ask them to subscribe, so that the whole thing is going to be required and should be well explained. Thank you.